EFG International is a former startup. It has grown and developed into a global bank which is publicly listed in Zurich. It is currently implementing its growth strategy, expanding its footprint in the Middle East with the opening of a new office here in Dubai, having received the necessary regulatory approvals. Earlier, I asked CEO of EFG International, Giorgio Pradelli, about how he rates market attractiveness at the moment.
For us, the Middle East is one of the key strategic regions. We believe that going forward we will have good growth in the region. It is an interesting time, a lot of transformation, but this will generate additional wealth. And for us in particular, Dubai is now one of the major financial centers. It's well regulated. It has attracted a lot of business around the region. And somehow the Middle East and Dubai and the Emirates are at the crossroad between North and South and East and West. And this is why to have a presence here for us is important.
Giorgio, what is EFG's current growth strategy and how does Dubai feature?
We have announced in March our new 2022 plan, which is focused on growth, sustainable and profitable growth. And we have identified 6 key regions where we want to grow. Asia, for sure, is a key region for us. The NRI market is an important market. The Middle East, Southern Europe, Eastern Europe, and Latin America. And clearly the Middle East, as I said before, being at the crossroad of East and West and North and South, is a very important market for us. And this is why we have always covered this market, to be fair, from Switzerland, London and Monaco, for example, but to have a presence here in Dubai, in the Emirates, was for us a very important strategic decision. It is more and more important to be very close to the clients.
Would you say that this is a challenging or rewarding time currently for private banking?
Private banking and wealth management, they remain very interesting, attractive sectors in the financial services space. Global wealth is growing and will continue to grow, and the growth will continue to be in particular in the emerging markets, in the new markets. And we are very focused on those markets, as I was saying before. So I think this is all very positive. Clearly, the industry is also changing. After the financial crisis 10 years ago, we had a lot of changes in the regulatory framework, and there is a pressure on margin. So we need to respond. And for sure, technology and being very close in a lean and agile way with the clients are the 2 key responses in order to offset these pressures on margin.
You mentioned the global financial crisis, but do you think now in the broader economy it's easier for us to see a global crash coming than it was before?
We remain positive for 2020. For sure, there are geopolitical uncertainties and there has been some market volatility, but overall we believe that the markets and the economies are quite positive. We see that the monetary policy remain very supportive. We see that some countries have started also some supportive fiscal stimulus. And overall, this trade debate or disputes at some point, we believe in the next year, will come to a positive conclusion. So overall, we believe that we should see a positive momentum in the economy.